everyone, welcome once again to the second episode of this Chit Chat show, which is organized by True Tourism Media Production and supported by Swami Stanka. Well, I'm really happy that we are going places. Why? Because yesterday we had a beautiful model from Berlin, and today we have a beautiful model from Dubai. Well, I'm talking about Lisa Bindra, and she's a beautiful model. Apart from that, she's also an influencer. So let's invite her online and get to know more about her life and her journey till now. I just hope that Lisa is there today. Well, yes, now she's there. Hello. I've just sent the request. I hope she'll be joining with us soon. Hello. Hello, Kuldeep. How are you? Hi,
I'm good.
Lisa. How are you? Okay, finally we connected. Generally I have seen this, and it's proven now that whenever some beautiful female comes in, I'm not able to connect with her instantly. Some, internet issues happen. I think, a lot of things people, are just disabled. Then I have to keep on waiting to see.
Definitely.
Okay, so it's really amazing that we are connecting from we connect in two countries through this Instagram live.
I,
And
I,
thanks.
I, cannot, I cannot hear you properly.
You cannot hear me properly? Oh, okay. So what I'm saying is that it's great that we are connecting through this Instagram live, and you are welcome in our show. So tell me, Lisa, you have been there, and I think in Dubai the lockdown happened for 1.5 months. So what all you did, क्या किया आपने इस 1.5 महीने में, where you guys, I must tell you that Lisa can understand Hindi very much, और पंजाबी भी बोल लेती हैं ये. But अभी हम इनसे थोड़ा इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे. And Lisa, tell me, what you did in this lockdown thing, 1.5 months, where you were just, because as a fashion model, you're very used to go out and everything. So you were stuck inside, घर पे बैठे रहना. क्या नया किया आपने उस टाइम पे?
Okay. It wasn't easy, first of all, staying home for 1.5 months.
Yeah.
I actually, for a few days, I was doing promotions for all the big brands. They were sending me stuffs, and I was promoting them on my page. And it was fun. It was quite good. But then later on, I realized, what's the point? I'm staying home. I'm doing the same thing what I used to do daily routine in my life. So I thought, when I was 16, 17, I was very small. I used to participate in all the school functions for the art, painting, or something like that.
Okay.
Then I decided, why don't I just try some good, I should take it out my artist in, from my side.
You are an artist. Amazing.
Yeah, exactly. So I started making paintings, clay paintings, few art. If you want, I can show you just right now.
Definitely. Why not? Please do that. Please do that. Yeah, we would love to see you. We would love to see the artist in you.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a
Wow,
Versace painting.
this is so beautiful. Yeah, amazing.
I made this with clay.
Oh, this is so beautiful, actually.
And this is Abaya Girl.
Okay. Wow. Oh, you did this?
Yeah, I am the one who did this.
Oh, Lisa, this is so beautiful. Wow. Great art, I must say. Great art. I think I'm definitely
I can
happy.
show you my best painting.
Wow. So basically, apart from being so beautiful, you have an artist in you, and
Yes.
these all things show that the kind of creativity you can do. I'm really happy that you found out that old passion, you revived your old passion, like many of the
Yes.
people. And yeah. So Lisa, so it was great. You did something which you really used to love as a kid, and
Yeah.
so basically your lockdown was really great. Amazing it was.
I really enjoyed my lockdown.
Yeah.
Really.
So what I want to know is that now, when you have started working post this lockdown, post this all this, so is the scenario same, or do you feel no, now it's not the same thing, because a lot of sanitization, we go to some place, they make us sanitize like everything, and so cumbersome process. तो कुछ क्या लगता है वापस से वही
Actually,
पुरानी
one
जिंदगी?
one thing Yeah, actually, one side it's very nice.
Yeah.
They are doing. Everything is so safe now.
Right.
In Dubai there are not much cases. It's quite safe. They have
Yeah.
open shisha parlor, clubbing, and everything is open. So
Oh.
there is no lockdown kind of thing.
Okay.
But again, after opening everything, again the cases are increasing. So
Yeah.
get together is increased. So because of the get together parties,
Yeah.
clubbing, and all this stuff,
Yeah.
of course everybody say like you have to wear mask and go inside. But once you're inside, everybody is removed. So what's the point? Everybody is meeting, hugging,
See,
kissing. Oh hi darling, how are you? And all this stuff.
दुबई क्या है, दुबई इज लाइक बेसिकली रनिंग ऑन टूरिज्म. सो दुबई
Yes.
अगर अपने टूरिज्म को नहीं खोलेगा तो आई थिंक इट वुड बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम टू सर्वाइव आल्सो. सो दैट्स द रीजन प्रोबब्ली.
They
ओके.
all were waiting for 2020.
या.
Something very big was supposed to come in Dubai. And I think whole
Yes,
world know about that.
I know that. I know that. I've been like, because I was there in March and I saw that, I got to know that, it will be there in October. And I know
Yeah,
that what
exactly.
you're talking about. Yes. Okay. So hopefully it will be postponed to some other, year, maybe in 2021. Yes. So, things have changed, but I just hope that it will be back to normal. That's hope, because this new normal is a little difficult to adjust. That's all I
Yeah,
can say. I don't know about others, but it's very difficult to adjust. We really want
I
this
know.
old normal to be back. So Lisa, how was this your journey as a model, as an influencer, how it all started? We want to know about that.
Actually, when I was very small, we used to travel a lot. मेरे
Okay.
डैड को इतना शौक था countries घूमने का कि
Acha.
whenever I used to travel, I used to see some new models everywhere, new models. I
Right.
decided definitely I'll be a model, top model in abroad, not for India, for abroad.
Yeah.
So I'm really really glad that I took that decision. I came Dubai. I started my career. I did my first album and one TVC in India. That wasn't that wasn't easy for me. My brother, my mom, they supported me a lot.
Okay.
From Oshiwara to New Mumbai, the distance, or wo
Yeah.
bhi rainy seasons mein, they
Yeah.
used to take me to Oshiwara for audition every day.
Oh.
And yeah, it wasn't easy for me, but at last my hard work काम आया.
तो यू
And I
जैसे
just
बोलते हैं ना,
it,
आपको भी ओशिवारा के ऑडिशन का सीन पता है, लाइक ऑल ऑफ अस.
yeah,
आराम नगर,
exactly.
ओशिवारा, लोखंड वाला, इंफिनिटी मॉल, वी ऑल लाइक,
Because I started my career there. Then
yeah.
Bhutani family, they selected me. They Click Face Media, their agency name. I still remember that.
Okay.
And then I got an opportunity to work with Ruslan Khan for Ash King song. So for Sony, it was big, very big opportunity
Oh,
for me. I
okay.
did not miss that.
Okay.
Yeah, I was lucky by in that way.
Yes.
And then I got an opportunity to work in Fair and Lovely as a main lead. I did
Oh.
that. Then फिर एक कीड़ा काट दिया. I was like, why not something more bigger than this?
Yeah.
Why not in abroad? Then I took a decision. I came abroad. I started my career here, and then yes, I did 30 albums in Dubai. As so far, it's going great. Yeah, exactly. And
Amazing,
I'm looking
amazing.
forward to
That's
do
a
more.
beautiful journey, I must say. And so obviously, if you compare, like, you started from India, now you're doing albums there, you have done all these ads. So what really excites you? What really excites you in work?
Over here, in India, I should not say, but I am not shy to say this. In India, few people are there, not everyone. Few, producers and directors are still there who ask you to do compromise.
Yeah.
And this is the thing where girls take step back.
Yeah.
They cannot go through their dreams. They just break down,
Yeah.
and they just think like, okay, if this is the first step, we don't want to go
Right.
through our dreams. We don't
So
want
in
to
Dubai,
complete our dreams.
you haven't faced any of these kind of situations there in Dubai? No. Amazing.
In Dubai, you cannot talk anything nonsense to a girl.
Oh, wow.
If you just think, you will be in the gym for sure.
Oh,
They are so
great,
damn
great.
strict.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like the girl, see the pictures, take the audition. Yes, yes, no, no. That's it. Finish.
Oh, very,
Work.
very straightforward. Very straightforward.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. Very straightforward. There is no
या तो
nothing
हाँ है,
compromising.
या फिर हाँ है, या फिर ना है. That's it. There's no
That's
maybe.
finished. Yeah.
amazing. So really happy, 30 albums बहुत बड़ा achievement है, बहुत
बहुत
और
बड़ी
yeah,
blessed by my
surely,
parents.
surely. And 30 तो अभी just शुरुआत है, we want to see you more and more और कुछ और भी नए projects में जो आप जैसे बोल रही थी कि जो दुबई में आने वाला था उसकी भी बहुत सारे आई एम श्योर बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज आने वाली थी, बट होपफुली वो आएंगी, बट थोड़ी सी पोस्टपोन हो गई हैं. So Lisa, tell me, what I want to know is, you grew up like, used to travel. आप बहुत travel करती थी. You told me that थोड़ा सा initial years आपने दिल्ली में भी गुजारे. तो how were your, childhood और क्या क्या करती थी आप? क्या मस्ती वस्ती की कुछ बातें याद है जब जहाँ पे आपको ऐसी कुछ मस्ती करी थी? आज भी पेरेंट्स याद दिलाते, बेटा लीजा याद है तुमने ये मस्ती करी थी या कुछ ऐसा कुछ? Yeah, I can see that
I was the mischievous daughter, I must say, of my loving dad. And
Okay.
he knew it, she will become something. But अभी जब तक वो मेरे हाथ में काबू में है ना, तो तब तक इसको वैसे ही pamper करो, वैसे as a doll रखो. And he used to pamper me a lot. My mom used to take care of me. सुबह सुबह को orange juice का glass ले आना, बेटा ये ले. And then I used to get. And I was very pampered by my parents.
Okay.
My sister and my brother used to say कि क्या हमें क्या आप अनाथालय से उठा के लेके आए क्या? ये गलत कैसे होगा?
That's the favorite line of your siblings. अगर उनको नहीं मिलता है तो वो या तो वो आपको एहसास दिला देते हैं या आपको खुद एहसास हो जाता है.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So they used to stop me playing with the boys because my dad was very strict. My dad
You
told
were the
me.
first born. आप सबसे बड़ी थी या आप छोटी थी?
Yes, I was the first one.
Oh, तभी. Right.
मोस्टली क्या नहीं, एक्चुअली मोस्टली क्या होता है, सबसे छोटा होता है उसको ज्यादा पैम्पर करते हैं. बट आई एक्चुअली
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आई एम यंगेस्ट. हाँ, कुछ ऐसा नहीं है. मुझे भी ऐसे ही लगता है कि फर्स्ट बॉर्न को मिलता है. So in the sense like we are two siblings, so मुझे हमेशा से ये लगता रहा है कि मेरे ब्रदर को ज्यादा मिलता है. तो आई थिंक आप जो बोल रही हैं शायद मैं okay, so continue. Yeah.
So then they used to stop me playing with the boys because I was very tomboyish. I never liked playing with girls. Girls were very soft, playing like this. And I was the girl who liked to play bad ball. And so yeah, exactly. I used to watch my dad playing. That's the what's that football game with the net on the play.
Volleyball.
Volleyball. Yes, volleyball. I used to watch my dad, and I told my dad, I will play this game. That was like, this is not for girls. I was like, Dad, come on. That was like, that told my mom, इसको जिम ज्वाइन करवा देंगे, इसकी बॉडी बना के वो करते हैं. My mom was like, रैंडो पहले काबू नहीं आती है लड़की
लड़की निकल जानी है हाथ से, तुसी की करते पाए हो.
Exactly. So I used to, when everybody sleep, what I used to do, I take table because my height was very small and the lock was quite high. I used to take table quietly. I keep nearby the door. I get up and then I, open the door and I go out. Middle in the night. I know next day is my school. But still, middle in the night. I go out because I know at night all the boys will play. Put light laga ke they will play. And so I used to go out and I used to play और चुपके से घर पर आ जाना. और कभी अगर पकड़े गए तो फिर मॉम की यूं पकड़ के पूरी गली के सामने सबके सामने अंदर लेके आना.
God, and everybody used to sleep at that time. मतलब you used to sneak out रात में.
Yes, exactly.
Wow.
I cannot forget those days. I wish I can bring back.
कितनी बार आप पकड़ी गई हो? कितनी बार पकड़ी गई हो? ये बताओ.
Many times. My mom is like, इसको जल्दी से जल्दी इसकी शादी कर दो. Dad was like, 7-8 साल की है, इसकी शादी कर दो.
Oh my God. What are you saying? 7-8 साल की used to sneak out?
You have no idea. I was so mischievous, so naughty because I was a pamper. Yeah. My dadaji, my dadiji, they used to pamper me a lot. Oh, meri doll, mera chittaru. Chittaru.
And doll with a gun. Doll with a gun, I would say.
And you know what my mom used to say? इधर ना wings लगा दो तो मैं ऐसा कोड़ी दिखी मेरी करनी then.
Okay, so has that changed? Has that mischievous, that trait changed, or is it still there? मजा आता है कुछ करने में? Still,
when middle in the night, I feel like And you know, I got habitual of that till today. I cannot sleep at night. I at 1 o'clock I get up. If I sleep by mistake,
Yeah.
if I sleep around 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, I get up early in the morning around like 1 o'clock or something. I need fruit. I'm habitual of fruit because of my dad. My dad is
Oh,
online.
yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
my
you
dad
should. I
used to
think
feed me
you
food.
have a beautiful skin because of all the good things that you had.
My
Yeah.
mom is very beautiful. You should see my mom. She's
Okay.
very beautiful. I got beauty from my mom. I got height
Great.
from my dad.
Great.
And my brother, my sister, they are also very beautiful.
Okay.
I many
It
times I
run.
force them
It
to
run in the genes. It run in the genes. It
yeah,
run in the
thank you.
family.
Thank
Okay,
you,
that's
God.
great. Yeah, that's great. So it's very funny. That's how. See, that's what I'm saying. Because everybody has that part. आप दिखने में अगर अगर ऐसे कोई आपको देखे तो आपको छुई मुई ही बोलेंगे. But जो ये चीजें हैं, जो आपकी बचपन की चीजें हैं, ये जो चीजें हैं, ये बताती है अंदर आपके अंदर कितना नॉटी एक किड रहता है. So
No
that's the
one
thing.
knows about my real face. You know, everybody thinks
Yeah.
like I'm a very
Yeah,
cute and innocent
yeah.
girl.
इसको तो हाथ लगाओ तो बोलेगी ouch, but ऐसा
I
नहीं.
am.
Yeah,
You
that's
should see me
amazing.
in gym. I'm
I think
in gym.
I think I think we females should also be like that. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है like जब जहाँ पे ऐसा वो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होना चाहिए. नहीं नहीं, ये तो लड़की नहीं कर पाएगी, तो
yeah,
करके
exactly.
दिखाने में मजा आता है
Yeah,
उसमें.
yeah, exactly. Where the boys say, "अरे ये तू नहीं कर सकती." There
हाँ,
you know, kind of
उसमें
yeah.
ज्यादा मजा आता है. क्यों नहीं कर सकती,
हाँ,
करके
exactly.
दिखाती
I
है.
will. I will get it for you.
Well, yes, truly, Lisa, I can actually relate to everything what you're saying. So tell me, like, what are your future plans? इसके बाद जैसे अभी तो आपका शुरू हो गया है work and all, but what are the big things? What upcoming projects? क्या क्या कहाँ हम Lisa को और देखने वाले हैं?
Actually, my dream is to be a brand.
Okay.
I want to be a brand. And you know, I will definitely achieve this also very soon. I'm sure. I trust my God. अगर वो मेरे को यहाँ तक लेके आ सकते हैं तो वो मुझे आगे भी लेके जाएंगे for
Right.
sure,
Right.
definitely. So actually I used to dream, you know, जब मैं टीवी पे देखती थी, जी टीवी पे, कलर्स पे, plus some Indian channels were there.
And TV.
I think too. So
Yeah.
I used to see यार वहाँ पर ना जज करते हैं लोग बैठ के, कितना मजा आता होगा. I
Yeah.
used to dream that. And then I got an opportunity to work with this Salman Yusuf Khan, the dancer,
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
Z. Yeah, I
Yeah.
judged
Right.
with him.
Right.
Yeah, I judged with him that on ZTV. I was a judge with him,
Oh,
and
wow.
it was real. He's such an amazing dancer. I'm not a dancer, but I was there as a judge because that time we were supposed to judge them by their act in dance.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Because
he was
अलग अलग जजेस होते हैं. एक डांस का वो देखता है, एक देखता है कि how you are representing yourself, how you are carrying yourself, and that was your job कि ये देखना कि वो किस तरह से अपने आप को कर रहा है. Right. Okay.
yeah, this was my first achievement. Second achievement, I did again judging with Javed Jeffrey for Colors TV.
Wow.
And again, that was fun. He's such an amazing person.
Yeah.
Now my dream is to become a brand. And yes,
So you want
inshallah,
to be a face of the brand, or you want to launch a brand?
I want to launch a brand. I want to launch a brand not in cosmetics, not in
Okay.
dressing. I want to launch a brand in art. You know, just
That's
if
very
I
nice.
signature any painting, that should cost in crores.
Oh, crores! Wow.
Yeah, I want to do that.
Yeah. 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 बहुत मतलब मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी कि बहुत अच्छे थोड़े डिफरेंट थॉट्स है और बहुत अच्छे ऊंचे बिकॉज ऐसे ही होने चाहिए ड्रीम. एंड यू आर एन आर्टिस्ट. हमने आपका आर्ट
Yeah.
देख ही लिया है. सो आई एम श्योर दैट कोई ना कोई आर्ट ब्रांड आपको जरूर कंसल्ट करेगी और बोलेगी लीजा जी आइए आप हमारे आर्ट की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनिए. वी वांट यू टू फेस ऑफ द ब्रांड. एंड मेनी पीपल आर आस्किंग यू किद्दा लीजा जी. दे नो दैट पंजाबी. तो बहुत सारे लोग आपको बोल रहे हैं. जस्ट से हेलो टू ऑल ऑफ देम. जस्ट से हेलो टू
Hi everyone.
Yes.
I can see my friend name also over here. Mitlesh, he's my best friend in India.
Yeah. So he
He
actually
tolerates
asked
me
me.
a lot. He tolerates me a lot.
Okay. So I think Mithilesh would be really happy to tolerate you, and many other friends, because I found you very interesting, and I'm sure that people like Mithilesh also must be finding the same thing. So, like apart from that, tell me, Lisa, is there anything that you want to tell your fans, your followers? कुछ आप बोलना चाहती हैं उनके लिए?
Yes, never ever give up your dreams because of some stupid things. Always do whatever you want to do, because if you will dream big, you will achieve big. So
Yeah,
always dream big.
yeah,
Never give up. Always keep on trying. You will
yeah,
definitely you will reach your dreams where one day you will feel कि अच्छा हुआ हमने give up नहीं किया.
yeah.
आज हम ये हैं.
Right,
You will give up, you will achieve nothing.
right.
So just keep working hard. You will achieve
Just
what you want. What you
exactly.
really deserve.
Really want, and we have seen you, and जो आपने सोचा जब आप देखती थी टीवी के, अरे यार मुझे भी जजिंग करनी है, you have achieved that. Now your eyes are on being a brand, and I'm sure that next time we'll talk, you must have achieved that. So Lisa,
That is,
thank you so
and
much.
at the same time, I'm really thankful of Rahul Kumar. He supported me a lot. He's a lucky guy. I came Dubai. I met him. He's so lucky for me. After meeting him, I started starting getting one by one, and I'm really thankful of God that
He's your
he
lucky
came to have
mascot.
me.
He's your lucky mascot, and I wish कि ऐसे ही सबको एक lucky mascot मिले, so that they can achieve their dreams. So thank you so much, Lisa. It was wonderful
Thank
talking to
you.
you. We really enjoyed talking to you, और बहुत मजा आया
Same
आपसे
here,
बात करके.
same.
And be the person that you are. You're so down to earth, so beautiful, and
Thank you.
so chirpy. So stay the way you are. And all the best for your future projects. जो जितने भी आप जो आपने ख्वाब देखे हैं वो जल्दी पूरे हो, so that we can connect soon. Thank you once again. People are saying that we are your fans. We are fans from Dubai. So जितने भी fans हैं आप सबको अभी आपकी लीजा ने अभी flying kiss दे दी. Hopefully you have received that. So thank you so much for joining this live session once again, and have a great day,
Thank
Lisa.
you. It was really fun. It was real fun. Even not for a second, I felt like it's boring interview. No, it was fun. You're a package of complete entertainment, and the questions were also very nice. I was very comfortable answering all.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Because it all depends on the guest also. I must say that you were like that. So I basically the vibes match. So that's how it should be. And I will wish that you keep spreading the positivity like you're doing right
Thank
now.
you.
And बहुत सारे अच्छे आर्ट्स बनाओ, और कभी कभी आप मुंबई आओ तो मेरे लिए भी एक आर्ट जाना. I really loved your art.
Definitely, definitely, definitely,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
But
Thank you so much, Lisa. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.